What's up, everyone? Welcome to Live It Up Adventures. Today we're at Patriot Park at the Old Mill District here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're going to walk or ride the River Walk walking trail here in Pigeon Forge. So the walking trail, River Walk, starts down there at Patriot Park, right across from where the trolleys are. You'll cross the road, just follow this sidewalk, and that's the start of the trail. Alright guys, so we're here at the official start of the trail. Because once you leave Patriot Park, you walk down the sidewalk to a residential area, and there's the official start of the trail. I'm out here on the River Walk, and but I also wanted to test out my Midland XTC 400 action camera. Just test the quality of it, see how well it works, how well it does compared to what I usually vlog on, which is my phone, which is what I've been vlogging on this whole video. But I'm gonna do some B-roll sequence with this of me riding my waveboard of the trail and see how things go. So let's test that out. Alright guys, here we are at the Conch Center at Jake Thomas Road in Teester, and the walking trail here goes right past it, following the river here. But I want to say we're probably about halfway. The trail ends at the island, so we're pretty close. So let's keep on going. And there's the Fun Time tram stop. Ford parking for the island. Here comes the tram. This is just a beautiful trail. There is some construction going on, but other than that, extremely peaceful. The river right here, plenty of benches to stop, take a break, rest. So I'm taking a break on one of these benches in the shade. It don't get much better. It's a beautiful trail. Nice and shaded in a lot of places. Just a beautiful trail. Got the river right here in front of me. I mean, it don't get no better. Alright guys, just saw some groundhogs run across the trail. They're right there. That's a groundhog. Alright guys, we're here at the islands at the end of the River Walk Trail. Thank you guys for joining us today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing for all things to do in the Great Smoky Mountains. And until next time, remember to live it up.